Good morning, gentlemen. So today I'm going to be giving you a bit of a tutorial on how to use Excel, particularly how to use it in the physics lab. So some of you guys have probably used Excel before or something similar, such as Google Sheets. But essentially, Excel and Google Sheets are examples of what we know as electronic spreadsheets. And these are very powerful tools if you want to do calculations using numbers and display them in ways that are easy to understand. So Excel has the potential to be extremely powerful, and it will actually save you lots of time. It's useful for making repetitive calculations, particularly on really large data sets, and it helps you to keep track of your numbers, and it'll do the maths for you. To be able to learn how to use Excel properly, there is a little bit of a learning curve, but hopefully these series of little videos will help it make it a little bit easier for you. Just before we get started, though, just remember the first law of using computers. They're really, really powerful, but they're also extremely stupid. So they will do exactly what you tell it to do. So if the instructions that you give it are incorrect, or if the data that you put in are not quite right, then you won't get the answers that you're looking for. I've been taught that it's called GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. Okay, so that's something to remember. Okay, so first step, let's open up an Excel spreadsheet. So usually what you'll see when you open up an Excel spreadsheet is that you will have book one. That's going to be its default name. And you'll see here we have a grid that is labeled with, or we call it an address. So at the top here you have letters. These are the names of your columns. And down the side, we have numbers, and these are your rows. So rows go across, columns go down. Where a letter and a number or a column and a row intersect, this is what we call a cell. So if we have here, it's A1, B1, C1, B3, and so on and so forth. As you can see here, every time I click it, there's a little name box that tells me where I am at the moment. So even if I ever get lost, let's say, for example, I can scroll down and I'm over here and I can't see where I am at the moment. It goes, hey, you're in AC58. Likewise, if I click here and I type in B2, it will take it automatically there. Okay, so that's just a little bit of navigation around here. Okay, I'm going to stop this tutorial here for the moment, and I'll go on to the data entry in the next one. Okay, see you then.